now it's like 3:40. We are in Imugan viewpoint. Look at that. Last time when I came here, it was misty. I couldn't see a thing. Right now it's beautiful. Look at it. Nice. Okay, this is the Imugan jump off point, but in the Google map, it's showing another 500 meters that side. You need to be more careful when you choose the Google map because you always pass by. I also passed by, then I have to come back. This is the place, this is jump off point. And this is the parking area. Registration over there. You have to pay 50 pesos for registration. For my Honda Click, 25 pesos for the parking fee. So this is the way you go. Here only available some snacks and piece of Wi-Fi. There is no drinks. So you buy your drinks when you come over here. You need it because you're walking almost like 1.2 kilometer. Since I went a detour in a Imugan viewpoint, I came here late. It's almost like 4:30. Already it looks like going to rain, but we don't care. We came this far. We are going to watch it. You have paid restroom. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. The water is clear. I hope that also the water will be clear. The only thing is missing sunlight. It's a 1.2 kilometer, probably 20 to 25 minutes if it's a good walk, but at the same time it's going high. The trail going high. One good thing, you have paved cement road. It is good. There's a lot of opening over there. So we have much more light. I can see the water. It's clear. That is a good news. But the quantity less. Lucky enough, in the registration area, he didn't sugarcoat it. He's flat out say 1.2 kilometer. That's a good news. He was good about it. It's going here and bending and going up. Still, I couldn't hear any water sound. The thing is, the road was a little bit looks more safer than any other falls I went today. The Bandit Falls. The path is not safer, not like this. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Wow. One bad thing I did, I didn't bring any water right now. I always forget the water. If my luck is good, I meet somebody over there. They must have a water. There's one guy doing some cultivation. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Some people living down here. No more rails. Hello, Po. How far the place? 30 minutes from here.
Yes.
It say totally 1.2 kilometer.
I think it's 20 minutes up there.
Okay. No worries. It's okay, fine. It's fine. It's okay.
halfway.
If it is a clear day, this will be a beautiful scenery. Still is a beautiful scenery, but in the video, you won't get it properly because of the lighting. So either way, this is how it is. I don't know, you can see there is a small hanging bridge over there. Some house also there. You had a little bit of opening over here. That's a good news. I didn't expect that. 4:46. Wow. Look at that. My heart rate monitor, my health code. I achieved the point. That's good news. Oh, it's going down. Looks like close by. That's hanging bridge. There's a toothpath going. Let's go through the hanging bridge. I think we are here. Still somebody over here. Hello, Papa. I don't care. Where is the falls?
There.
Late and all, I don't care.
We've been late.
Wow. We'll go by this area. Wow, that is a falls. Not bad. Not bad at all. There's somebody over here. That's a good news. Still an opening. Wow. Look at that. Not bad. Beautiful. Worth it. Come over here. Good. Fantastic. There's a way go up over here. I don't think I have time to go there. Look at that. Beautiful. Coming over here is worth it. I highly recommend for everyone. Only thing is, you come here early. I came very late. At the same time, look, it's all going to be misty and cloudy. It's going to rain again. So I need to move on. I didn't take a bath over here, but the water was so crystal clear. Look, it is very crystal clear. I highly recommend for everyone. But you have to walk 1.2 kilometers. It took almost like 20 minutes for me to come over here. Since getting dark, I don't want to take a bath over here. I skipped the bath. So anyway, I got the footage. The footage was good. You will see it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye. Mwah.